In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install that's Project Management System. Use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script. After purchasing the script, the next I go straight to my cPanel. That's in cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Then from my file manager, I go to my subdomain because I'm using a subdomain for these testing purposes. So here is my subdomain. I have already uploaded the script. Here is it. So let me extract it. As I click on extract, the extract files. So after that, I close this. I double click to open this. Select all. Then I move to the root folder. I move files. So up on level, I have successfully uploaded it. So I go back to my cPanel, then my database. So I'm going to create a database with this. So let me name my database as this. Then I create database. After that, the database has been created successfully. I click on go back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create the user. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let me create my user. Let me name my user as this. Then I click on create user. So the user has been created. So next I click on go back again. I have created the database. I have created the user. Next I'm going to add the user to the database. It has automatically selected for me. Even I will come here to select it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Next I click on add. I give out privileges. I scroll down to make changes. Success. So now I open a new tab and go to my subdomain. Enter. So here locale database name. Let me correct. Copy my database name. That's my username. Is my username. Let me copy this. Copy. Let me paste it here. Username. Okay. That's my database name. Admin email, let me say admin at admin or admin at example.com. So now, so next I click on install. So my this thing is .com. Then I click on login. So please, I have successfully installed my script, as you can see. Here is it. Here is my dashboard, subscription, front end. So anywhere I want to go. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also use link in the description to purchase. Use our affiliate link to purchase it. Script. Thank you.